Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily join a meeting in Cisco Webex meetings. So let's start. So this is really strange. I was trying to do this tutorial. Yeah, I'm going to turn on the camera now. I was trying to do this tutorial for about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. Because the problem was this, and I think they have a bug here. So when you're here, and when you're gonna enter the meeting information or join meeting here, you won't be able to join the meeting. That's it. You need to download the application, the desktop application or just mobile application. And now how to join a meeting? Let's get to the fact. Here, the owner of the creator of your meeting needs to click on meeting and information, and there is going to be meeting number. And you need to write that meeting number to the join a meeting in application. So these are like two different accounts right now. So I will just write it here and I will click join. So as you can see, it's loading. Voila, here we got it. Join meeting. Right now, we have two accounts, and we successfully joined the meeting. And let me show you something that is not possible to do through the web dashboard, or how it's called. So leave meeting, end meeting. So okay, we have ended the meeting. I'm going to start a new one from application, and look at this, start meeting. So I have this information right here, and when I go to dashboard, this is my second account, right? I will write here this and press enter, right? See, invalid number or room ID, try again. But this is not true. It's valid. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, or if they just have like some bug there. But even when I give space there, and like I'm wrong here or what? You know, again. So this is what is beyond my understanding of how it works. Because when you join a meeting through the application, it will work. But if you join meeting through the Webex dashboard, it won't work. So that's about it. So just be careful out there. Yeah. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance if you need some, but use Zoom. Just my 2 cents. Goodbye. See ya.